Okay guys, this is PEF number 8, odd answers. Find the product, so we're going to distribute here, so I get x squared minus 2x, distribute 3 plus 3x minus 6, combine your like terms, so you get x squared plus x minus 6. Same thing here, let's distribute 3 over the parentheses, so 6x plus 15y, distribute the 2 over the parentheses, 4x plus 10y, combine like terms, 10x plus 25y. All right, so now we're factoring. We're no longer going to distribute. So I have an x minus 2 that's the same on both. That's the first set of, and whatever you have left, x plus 3. Okay, this is factoring by grouping. Okay, on this one I'm going to take a look because I have 4 terms. I have a 10 I can take out, so that leaves me a minus b. And on this one I have a negative 12. Notice that I'm going to change signs. If I factor negative 12 out of negative 12a, it's a. Factor negative 12 out of positive 12, that gives me a negative b. These are now the same, so I get a minus b, and then 10 minus 12. You could leave it like that. You could probably change it to this, though, if you wanted to. Check with your teacher, make sure. All right, number 9, we're going to look at these first two terms. I have x squared, so I can factor in x plus 1. And this one, if I factor a 3 out, a positive 3, I'm left with x plus 1. The x plus 1s are the same, so I'm left with x squared plus 3. Again, on this one, I can factor a 4x squared out of both, and that leaves me x plus 3. The second one, I'm going to factor a negative 3 out. If I factor that out, I get x plus 3. And I have x plus 3 and 4x squared minus 3. Number 13, it looks like I can factor a 3x out of both, so I get x plus 1. I can't factor anything out of there, so I'm going to have a placeholder of 1, and that just stays the same. So my answer becomes x plus 1, and whatever you have left is 3x plus 1. This one, there's 4 terms, so I can factor a 3x out of both. That leaves me x plus 5. On this, I'm going to factor a negative 2 out of both, so that leaves me x plus 5. Being those x plus 5s are the same, it's going to yield me this. And then the last one, I can factor an x squared out of both of those. That leaves me x minus 2. I can factor a negative 4 out of both of those. Change the sign where that 8 was, because we factored negative out. So then we have x minus 2, and then we're left with x squared minus 4. This is a trick, and that's the difference of 2 squares. So that factors x plus 2 and x minus 2 as well. Have a great day. Bye-bye.